Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you. Please do like, share, and subscribe, comment. I really appreciate all of that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your stainless steel pans non-stick. So first, I have my clean pan. I'm going to set the temperature to about medium high, which is number 7 on my hob. And as you can see, it's beginning to heat up and steam. So once the water is all gone and it's very hot, I add in about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. And I kind of coat the bottom of the pan as much as possible to ensure that the surface area is covered. The important thing is to make sure that it's really hot, and number 7 on my hob does it very well for me. So I have my 2 eggs here for my demonstration to show you how this doesn't become sticky and all that. So once it's completely coated, I reduce the heat down to about 5 or a number 4. um Usually this kind of helps my food to cook gently, and so the food doesn't burn. So but at this point it's kind of sealed the pan, so I can break my eggs in and then it doesn't stick as much. So here I'm just putting in my eggs and I'm just going to allow this cook, and then I'll show you how instead of using like non-stick pans that are sold that coated with all kinds of things that may not be so great for your health, this is a better option. And stainless steel pots or pans are cheaper than most of your like cast irons and other pots too, which you still have to season and all that to prevent them from being non-stick, to not prevent, to make sure that they are non-stick. I'm just going to season my eggs as usual. This is what I wanted for my eggs. And now you can see when I lift it up, it comes off clean. Even though I noticed that with stainless steel, it still sticks a tiny little bit and it's not completely like non-stick. I mean, you have to give yourself a little bit of work to, at least when you're washing your dishes, you want something to scrub or clean, so but so far this is really a really good method. I would recommend this to anyone who wants to eat healthier and who wants to use pans like these. So you can see, I mean, for me this is great. It was a real game changer when I learned how to do this, and I so hope that this really helps you too. So you can see what I was talking about, that you have a little residue but it still comes off so easy. You don't need to scrape, and like damage your pan, and it comes out really clean. And then when you're washing, you can even use a soft scourer to wash your pan, or just a little scrubber to just clean your pan, and there you have it. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.